Hello, my wonderful people. How are you doing? In case you see me for the first time, I am woman of nature, the woman that tackles physical problem with natural things and it disappears. As you are tuning in, I'm grateful that you are here. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, and share for other people to watch the video. If you're having problems in your marriage, nowadays problems here and there, divorce here and there, the rate of divorce that is happening on daily basis is so alarming. And you know that you really love your partner, but one or two things is causing issues and you don't know how to do it or how to solve the problem. You see, if you're having problem, it's good you direct your problem to the rightful thing. Redirect it. You see, when you are praying, there are some angels you will call upon their names. And as long as you know their names, you call them directly, you see that problem being solved. Than praying randomly, angels of this, come, I call you. When you call angel directly to their name, you see that angel appearing and sort out that problem for you. Because the work of archangels, the reason why God gave us the access to call them, to use them, as in we give commands for angels to work for us. That is their work. Angels are, there are thousands, if not for millions of angels. God created them for us to serve us, we human beings. And the angels are willingly ready to help us anytime we call. Likewise, our own personal guidance angels, they are standing beside us, waiting for us to give them command. And the moment we give them command, you see them going on duties and they will return back with results. Many people don't know, many people don't know the powers they possess. That is why you see someone staying in a particular problem for a very long time. Rather, the only thing we know is to run from one church to another. Can you believe that the person you are running to, you might have powers more than that person? And those devilish ones, the moment they discover your powers, they will steal your glory, they will steal your power, and they will left you empty, keep even. You go to church to solve your problem. While coming back, you pack more problems to yourself. You get confusion, you'll be distracted, you'll be depressed. So many other problems will jump back to the one you have. If you are watching till this extent, you have not subscribed. Subscribe. Now, the rightful angel to call in terms of relationship settlement is Archangel Raguel. Archangel Raguel is the angel of peace and harmony. That is his work. And if you are having problem in your relationship, problem in marriage, the archangel to call is Archangel Raguel. I will write it out so that you know the spelling. So you use this angel's name. Call upon him. Say, Archangel Raguel, I summon you in this matter. You are the angel of peace and harmony. Come and restore my marriage. Whatsoever that have poisoned my marriage, whatever that have steal away the peace of my marriage, I call upon you to restore this peace. I call upon you to restore the peace of my marriage and to restore harmony between me and my partner, between me and my fiancé or my husband, whichever relationship you are. Relationship have stage by stage. Now, another way you can still restore sweetness in your relationship. This particular one now I'm going to mention is for those that are married, whether legally married. Now, if you're a married woman and you are having problems in your marriage, all series of problems, fine. Pray with this angel's name. The second thing you will do to intensify it is take your wedding ring, your husband's wedding ring, and because the moment problem starts, nobody wears your wedding ring. Your husband will drop it and fling it anyhow, and you will drop it. So quietly go and pick your husband's wedding ring and your own wedding ring. Get a bowl of sugar, white sugar. a sink that were the ring inside there, you see sweetness. You see sweetness will return in between you people. You see that thing that have soured, sweetness will return back to your marriage. Sweetness will return back to your relationship. You will be thinking that it is magic. It works effectively. It works like magic. Go and do this, because I don't like the rate of divorce quarrel I'm seeing here and there. If you open internet, you see 2 years of marriage, divorce, break up. Break up is here as if it is our new culture. Now, go and do it. If you are having problem in your marriage, this is something you can use to stop it, put a stop to that problem. Thank you so much for watching. Please see me in my, I will see you all in my next video. Make sure you go to my, as you are watching, tune in, go to my channel. You see other vital videos that I dropped. Watch them, and it will help you the way you want it. Believe in God. No problem is permanent. It's we that think that when problem comes, that is the end of the world. No. There's so many angels, and I'll make video on that. Angels and their different duties in our life, so that whenever you want to pray, based on the situation you are battling with, the rightful angel to call his or her name. Because angels, there are female angels and there are male angels. The rightful angels to call. You see that problem, solving it naturally without you stressing you. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.